My name is Rocco Romeo. I'm the CEO here at HLS Linen Services. We have two plants, one in the Ottawa area and one in the Toronto area. Our company has been in business for over 50 years now, providing linen and laundry services to healthcare facilities and long-term care facilities throughout most parts of Ontario. Our job is to ensure that we provide a hygienically clean textile product to our customers and making sure that all areas and surfaces that the linen comes into contact with are properly cleaned, properly disinfected, and free of any foreign matters. One of our key things is to be as efficient as we can be, particularly of course on the labor side, which is our biggest cost, and also on the automation side. So that's why we're always looking at areas and opportunities to increase automation. One of the key things in running operations like ours is always lint. And cleaning of lint is probably one of the biggest challenges for any laundry operator, so you really want to make sure that you have a system in place that you know is going to be able to handle that and not something that you need to worry about every day, saying, oh, is my plant going to potentially catch fire because I haven't taken care of the lint issue. If you look at a lot of laundry fires, usually lint has been the cause of it. So to me, it's really important from a risk management perspective to say, how are you going to deal with lint? So when we opened up this plant in Ottawa back in 2007, one of the first things we looked at was the SonicAire fans. We saw the fans and we thought, what a great idea to deal with what was becoming a challenge with lint in certain areas of the plant. It's easy to do all the floor stuff, but all the other stuff on top of equipment and in the rafters, those are challenging areas and also extremely labor-intensive areas. If you leave it to your maintenance department, it may not get done because there's always other priorities at play. By having it this way, you're basically automating that process of ensuring that managing lint and keeping the plant clean is now done on a regular basis. I think we have about 40 or so here in the Ottawa plant, and we have, I believe, about 10 or 12 in our Toronto facilities, and they have been wonderful in terms of keeping the plant clean and keeping lint off, particularly the rafters. So it's been a very good investment for our company. When you're dealing with hazard, it needs to be habitual, it needs to be done daily, and it needs to be part of your core process. And I think by having the SonicAire fans, we are able to achieve all three of those objectives. Our pride and joy in this facility is when people look up at our ceilings, they can see that they're not full of lint. When people are looking at your facility from a potential customer perspective or even a current customer perspective, they want to make sure that you're taking all possible measures to ensure that they get a hygienically clean product. I truly am a big believer in SonicAire, highly recommend them, and very grateful to have their product in our plant assisting us in our mission every day.